In the next question, we have to find the value of p if 4x square minus p minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0 has equal roots. Now, if this equation, first of all, this is in the quadratic form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, if this has equal roots, that means we can say the value of discriminant is 0. Remember, when the equation has equal roots, the value of discriminant has to be 0. That means we can say b square minus 4ac has to be 0. Now the thing is, we have to first check what are the values of a, b and c. So comparing it with the standard equation, the value of a has to be 4, value of b has to be negative p minus 2, and the value of c has to be 1. Comparing it with the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now writing this, substituting this b in b square minus 4ac. So what is b square? Minus p minus 2 bracket square. So b square. So b is negative p minus 2. So negative p minus 2 square minus 4a, which is 4, and c, which is 1. So that is the value of 4ac equals to 0. Therefore, this is negative 9 minus square. That means minus into minus plus. So we can just only consider p minus 2 bracket square, which is in the form of a minus b bracket square, right? P minus 2 bracket square means it is in the form of a minus b bracket square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we will substitute that formula here and we will get p square minus 2ab, that means 2a and b. So 2 2s are 4p plus b square, which is minus 2 square, which is 4, minus 4 4s are 16 1s are 16 equals to 0. Therefore it will be p square minus 4p plus 4 minus 16, which is negative 12 equals to 0. Now splitting the middle term, that will be, we want factors 6 2s are 12 and 6 minus 2 is 4. But what will the signs be? Since this has minus sign, so that means if we take the factors as 6p and 2p, we will get 12p square, because 6p and 2p will be 12p square, and it is negative. So one of the term has to be minus sign. Which will have minus sign? We have to see the middle term, which is negative. That means greater number should be negative and this number has to be positive. So that means we will get negative 12p square, and when we will add or subtract it, minus 6p plus 2p is minus 4p. That means what are our factors? Minus 6p plus 2p minus 12 equals to 0. Therefore, now taking p common from here, it will be p minus 6 plus taking 2 common from here, it will be p minus 6 equals to 0. Taking p minus c bracket common, it will be p plus 2 inside in the other bracket, that is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say either p minus 6 equals to 0, or we can say p plus 2 equals to 0. So that it will be p minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, p is equal to, if minus 6 goes on the other side, it will be positive 6. Or p plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, if it goes on the other side, it will be p is equal to negative 2. Therefore, what are the values of p? P is either 6 or p is equal to 2. And that's our answer.